Here I am again, guys. Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And now we're doing the final demonstration on this realistic 8-track player that I just did a video on with the cover off so I could show you guys all the little nightmarish things I had to do to get everything working again. And the replacement motor protruding out the bottom turned out to be not quite so bad. It's not protruding out that much. And I'll probably just put a little bead of silicone around this to seal it, keep stuff from coming into it. So let's go ahead and fire it up and make sure it works. Alrighty, I've just got it hooked up to an actual converted radio, just like it'll be used in his car. And this comes from Charles in Westlake Village, California. Okay, try the 8-track.
The blues, 'cause she's found up. I'm gonna buy you a baby, but just pretend you're there. Oh, I'm a monkey, don't understand. Circulate the pack of life.
Okay, that takes care of that. And of course, the radio will wait 20 seconds before coming back on. We're not going to wait for that. So, she's ready to go back, and I'm ready to get on to his other unit, which is already finished, and I'll be doing the video on that one probably in the next hour or two. So, thanks so much for watching and listening. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below, and please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions about my options, price, and turn times, because I've already explained that all in the work order, and as you're filling it out, those questions will be answered, and you're welcome to call me after you've done that. I'm just trying to avoid a situation where I'm spending 15 minutes explaining the same stuff over and over and over to each new customer when all that customer has to do is download my work order and he can get those questions answered. So that keeps me on the bench where the actual work gets done. So please keep that in consideration. Thank you, Charlie, for your second job from California. I'll be testing your third one in the next hour or so. And thank you guys for watching and listening, and we'll see you next time. Oh, one thing I wanted to point out here is this realistic player, it's stereo 8-player with Quatravox. Ooh, is that exciting? No, it's not. Quatravox, other companies have different things that they call it. It's also called 4-channel matrix. It's an attempt to simulate the 4-channel effect, but all it does is it reverses the rear speakers. That's all it does. It sends the left signal to the right rear speaker, and it sends the right signal to the left rear speaker. So it's not even a 4-channel simulation. It's basically mixed up stereo. So if it doesn't say quadraphonic or quadrasonic, it's probably not true quad, because they would be proud enough to say quadraphonic on it. But Quatravox, 4-channel matrix. There's a few other names for it, but it's not even close to a 4-channel simulation. It's meant to sell you on the prospect of a 4-channel simulation. It's not. It's just mixed up stereo. So just wanted to point that out. A stereo head, the playback head, as you open your tape door and look straight in the back in the exact center, you'll see your head, which is a shiny, like the shiny thing. A stereo head will have two what look like horizontal slots. A true quadraphonic head will have 4 of those horizontal slots. Those are actually the head gaps, the head elements. If it doesn't have 4 slots, it cannot do 4-channel. So thanks so much for listening, and we'll see you guys next time.